The Manipur government has sought a report from the Ccpur Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police over the display of sophisticated firearms by a group of people at an unofficial Independence Day parade, a senior official said on Friday. State Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh said that lawful actions will be taken against those displaying firearms at the parade. A report has been sought from the DC and the SP over the displaying of sophisticated firearms by a group of people at an unofficial Independence Day parade at Ccpur on August 15th. Once the report comes, we will take lawful action against all of them, he told reporters on the sidelines of the function here. He said over 1,250 firearms have been recovered so far from across the state. A large number of firearms were looted from the state police armories during the last 3 months of ethnic classes. Combing operations are being conducted regularly and firearms are being recovered on a daily basis, he said. Chief Minister Viren Singh added that his government is investigating how the incident, that is the open display of firearms at the unofficial parade, happened, although they were not a part of the official Independence Day parade and were conducting it separately. Ethnic classes broke out in the northeastern state on May 3rd after a tribal solidarity march was organized in the hill districts to protest against the Meitei community demand for scheduled tribe status.